Say mo Janine, Jericho, inaming, amazing siyang boyfriend, honest at mapagmahal. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay nakatungtong si Jericho Rosales sa bakuran ng GMA Network. Isang masayang karanasan para sa aktor na makapasok sa mismong gusali ng Kapuso Network. Happy to be here. It's my first time here sa GMA. Like this building ha? I've been looking at this building. It's so nice to be here. Everyone is warm. Hello GMA. Nakangiting bungad sa amin ni Jericho sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Bukas ang kapamilya actor sa posibilidad na makagawa ng proyekto sa GMA. Why not? Hindi naman sarado ang pinto. Masayang masaya ko sa ABS-CBN but my doors are open. Gate niya. Kamakailan ay nagkasamang nagbakasyon si Jericho at ang kasintahang si Janine Gutierrez sa Africa. Tripling celebration nga ang ipinagdiwang ng magkasintahan kaya magkasamang nagbiyahe. Anniversary, birthday ko and then birthday niya. She was very generous about her time. When I said it's my dream to go to Serengeti, Tanzania, would you like to come with me? And sabi niya, yeah, let's go. As long as we go to Cape Town after. We saw like a lot of big animals. It was very humbling, life-changing. I love animals. I love nature. I surf and everything. It was a giant milestone in my personal life. Masayang kwento ng aktor. Isang malaking karangalan para kay Jericho na makilala siya ng mga lokal sa Tanzania. Naipalabas kasi noon sa naturang bansa ang ilan sa mga teleseryeng pinagbibidahan ng aktor. I love Africa. I've been wanting to go Tanzania. They sold Pangako Sa'yo and Sana'y Wala Nang Wakas in Tanzania when I got there. The moment I landed sa airport. Angelo, karakter sa Pangako Sa'yo. Christian, karakter sa Sana'y Wala Nang Wakas. Yon, ang tawag nila sa akin. Tinatawag ako ng immigration person. Pinabalik ako, you're the actor. And from day 1 up to Serengeti, people are pointing at me saying, you're the actor. And they were saying, thank you. Why are you saying thank you? It was the first show that we watched in 2008. It has changed our viewing situation and we relate to your show so much. I was so proud and I was like, this is what I am trying to avoid and I am embarrassing it. And I said this is why I do soap operas and teleseries. We touch people's lives. Ang sarap ng feeling eh. And of course, for Janine to be there to witness that she was so supportive. It was our big travel together. She's never been to Africa. What a great travel partner. I am a lucky boy. Pagdedetalye ni Jericho.
Boyfriend. Ngayon,
I think I'm an amazing boyfriend and everything, but I've learned, from all of those relationships. And I think right now I am pouring all of the lessons into this relationship, diba? And Janine is the recipient of my humility, my honesty, and my excitement for, sharing great things together.
And the maturity. Yeah.
The maturity, I think, yun. So that's why maybe she enjoys the 10-year gap. So.
Yeah, which is not
10 taon ang agwat sa edad ni Jericho at Janine. Bilang nobyo ay ginagawa raw ng aktor ang lahat upang mapanatiling masaya at maayos ang kanilang relasyon ng dalaga. I think I am an amazing boyfriend. I am not perfect although the years. I thank all of the past relationships that I have. Of course, I've made my mistakes and I said sorry, but I've learned from all of those relationships. Right now, I think I am pouring all of the lessons into this relationship, diba? Janine is the recipient of my humility, my honesty, and my excitement for sharing great things together and maturity. That's the reason I think why she enjoys the 10-year gap, paliwanag ng aktor. Well, obvious naman na very happy, very contented si Janine sa relasyon nila ni Jericho na malayong malayo sa kanyang mga naging past relationship. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.